I'm Myron Moser. I'm President and CEO of Hartfield Automation. And the reason we enthusiastically contribute to the scholarship funds for Minnesota West, number one, I'm an alumni of Minnesota West. I graduated in 1980. I love this industry, and I think we fulfill a crucial part of the manufacturing base of America, which I think we all know in today's world needs strengthening. And our way of strengthening is to make sure that well-qualified future leaders for this industry are not held back for lack of finances. So the whole idea is less and less is being paid in college education anymore, whether it's a 2 or 4 year degree. So more of the burden falls on the student to make sure that they can make ends meet as they go through college. We want to do our part to make sure that that those that are qualified and really want to come through and strengthen our industry get the opportunity to do that. So we have a number of Minnesota West graduates around here. They're excellent people. They're hard workers, and we're very enthusiastic about the college and the program.